Okay, so there is a pretty big election story starting to get a lot of attention out of Virginia. In fact, it could actually be going to the Supreme Court days before the presidential election, but it's really complicated. So here are some of the most important takeaways to know about this story. So in early August, Virginia's Republican Governor Glenn Youngkin signed an executive order that basically began a daily process of removing people who identified as a non-citizen from the voter rolls in Virginia if they identified as a non-citizen at the DMV. But here is where the complication arises. There is a federal law that prevents systematic maintenance like this if we are under 90 days until an election. This is because, let's just say someone mistakenly checks the wrong box at the elections department or someone makes an error. Well, the law is in place to protect those people so that they have enough time to correct that kind of mistake. So two courts have now agreed this was a part of Virginia's voter registration practice that did not comply with federal law. So now the Attorney General of Virginia, Jason Miyares, sent a request to the Supreme Court. What he's asking for is called an emergency stay to basically undo this injunction. Long story short, there's a big legal back and forth going on in Virginia days ahead of the election. But so far, courts have ruled Virginia is in the wrong.